this was, when I discuss in the class, there are a lot of things which come up. And I understand that children know that there are 6 fundamental rights in the Constitution, but they do not know the spirit behind those. They do not know the spirit. That's why I came up with stories wherein Shraddha ma'am is the teacher of social science. She teaches civics. For you all, this is my autobiographical big book, and you all will feel that you are sitting in my classroom. That's the feedback I have got from 2 of my students. Those 2 are my biologicals only. So, coming back to the point when, it is very important that children know what is equality. Now, my equality cannot be I am standing here and you are standing here and it is equality. Equality is something which cannot be given. Equality is something which must be felt. If you are able to make me feel equal, then I would say that you are a fair person. And for that, you do not have to be, it is not important that you have to have a skin color of something. It is very important that you are what a human is supposed to be. A human is supposed to be rational. Only intellectual ability is one aspect. Single aspect is there in the species of universe which makes us unique. And if we stop thinking, if we drop down our intellect, and if we are not rational, then why are we? So the idea behind this book was, whatever we do, these children do come across a lot of incidents and all those things. They talk, they try to find out, and I have tried to inculcate NEP in critical analysis. I have kept competency-based learning. I have kept analytical understanding. I have kept discourse. So being a teacher of social science since past 20 years, I tried that children first try to find solution. And if they're stuck somewhere, the teacher comes in between and she says, so this, my dear children, is supposed to be like that. That is the role of Shraddha ma'am. Shraddha ma'am does not do anything. I am only the catalyst in the book. So idea is this. This was the easiest book